Hola, soy Sasha and this is Alma Spanish. Today I'm answering the question, what are the best ways to learn Spanish? Let's get right into it. So you can learn Spanish from textbooks. If you are autodidactic, if you're a self-learner, if you're good at that, that's a great thing that you can do. You can get a textbook from Amazon. You can go to your local library, borrow a textbook and work through it bit by bit. That's really good for people who are analytical and who like to take time to digest things at their own pace. Another way that you can learn is through apps like Duolingo, and I'm sure there are other apps on the market too. The benefit of apps is that most of them are free, a lot of them are fun. You know, there's gamification going on with the apps nowadays, and you can like keep a streak. I think it's super fun. An app can help keep you from getting rusty. So you might not advance as quickly with an app, but it will keep you fresh and it will keep things in your mind, and it's a good way to learn vocabulary. Another way that you can learn could be a course. And when I say course, there are like two types. You can do a synchronous learning course where you have a teacher and maybe a group of people or individually, but there's somebody there holding your hand every step of the way and it's live. Or you can do asynchronous learning. It might be a course that you purchase online and you have to work through the units on your own and watch the videos and do the activities and things like that. Of course, the good thing about a course is that you can get, for most of them, you can get feedback. And usually they are curated. So you don't have to like sift through unnecessary things. You just select the course that's right for you and then you take off from there. Another way is by language immersion. So you can hop on a flight and just go to that country and live in that country. The advantage of this is you're going to absorb it quickly. Everything is going to be relevant. Everything is going to be in context. Of course, it's expensive, it's time consuming, and it's daunting. It's very scary to move to another country, but that's also an option. You can also purchase like tape sets. Tapes are outdated, maybe like a CD set like Michelle Thomas or Rosetta Stone. What I like about these are you can like multitask. So you can go to the University of Traffic, right? So you're in your car, you can listen to it as you drive. If you're cooking, you can listen to it as you cook, or gardening, or whatever it is that you do. You can simultaneously listen to an audio course. Of course, I guess the drawback there is you don't have any feedback, you don't really get any speaking practice. It's all really receptive and there's no production. And of course, there are YouTube channels. You can follow YouTube channels. The good thing about YouTube channels are that you have so much control over choosing what you watch. So you can find a creator who resonates with you and your learning style and just binge that person, and it's free. Personally, I think the best way is a combination of all of the above. You have to decide what works for you. And the thing about it is your needs, they're not static. So when you're a beginner, perhaps the audio tapes might work well for you. And then when you get to be an intermediate, you might find that a teacher-led course is better. And then when you're at the advanced level, you might say, hey, I'm ready for immersion. Or it might be the reverse. So I think that learning Spanish is a commitment, and if you love it and you really want to do it, it's going to take time and it's going to take a specific combination of methods that work for you. So I would say start experimenting right away with any of these methods. And if you need any help along the way, this is a community, so reach out. Just write something in the comments if you have any questions, and I'm here for you, and I'm sure other people are there in the comment section too that can help you. thank you so much for watching. Muchas gracias and adios.